every Cold War jet that was considered too dangerous to operate. United States. North American F-100 Super Sabre, the first U.S. supersonic fighter to enter service. It used an early afterburning turbojet with marginal stability. It served as a fighter-bomber and tactical strike aircraft. It suffered frequent control loss and a high accident rate. Lockheed F-104 Starfighter, a lightweight interceptor built around extreme speed. It used a tiny wing and a very powerful engine. It served as an interceptor and strike aircraft in multiple air forces. It had unforgiving handling and lethal landing characteristics. Vought F-8 Crusader, a carrier-based supersonic fighter with a variable incidence wing. It carried cannons and early air-to-air missiles. It served as a U.S. Navy Fleet Air Defense fighter. It was notorious for dangerous carrier landing accidents. McDonnell F-101 Voodoo, a long-range supersonic fighter and reconnaissance aircraft. It used powerful engines with high fuel consumption. It served as an interceptor and nuclear strike platform. It suffered engine fires and demanding maintenance issues. General Dynamics F-111 Aardvark, a swing-wing strike aircraft with advanced avionics. It used terrain-following radar for low-altitude penetration. It served in strike, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare roles. Early models suffered fatal design and structural failures. Convair B-58 Hustler, a supersonic strategic bomber designed for speed. It used 4 engines and a podded nuclear weapon system. It served as a high-speed nuclear delivery aircraft. It was extremely complex and unforgiving to operate. North American A-5 Vigilante, a large supersonic carrier-based strike aircraft. It used powerful engines and advanced navigation systems. It served as a nuclear bomber and later reconnaissance platform. Its size and maintenance demands made carrier use hazardous. North American XB-70 Valkyrie, a Mach 3 strategic bomber prototype. It used 6 engines and a compression lift airframe design. It served only as a high-speed research aircraft. Its complexity and cost made operational use impractical. Lockheed YF-12, a high-speed interceptor derived from the A-12 program. It used titanium construction and Mach 3 performance. It served as a test platform for interceptor concepts. It was too expensive and demanding for frontline service. Soviet Union. Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-15, an early swept-wing jet fighter of the Cold War. It used a powerful centrifugal flow turbojet engine. It served as a frontline interceptor and dogfighter. It had poor visibility and dangerous high-speed handling. Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-19, the first Soviet supersonic production fighter. It used twin engines with unreliable early afterburners. It served as an interceptor and fighter bomber. It suffered frequent engine failures and control issues. Sukhoi TSU-7, a high-speed tactical fighter bomber. It used a powerful turbojet optimized for speed. It served as a low-level nuclear strike aircraft. It required long runways and limited range. Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-23, a variable geometry fighter designed for flexibility. It used swing wings and a high-thrust engine. It served as a frontline interceptor and multi-role fighter. Its complex systems caused severe handling problems. Tupolev Tu-22 Blinder, a supersonic bomber with unconventional design. It used rear-mounted engines and high-speed aerodynamics. It served in strategic and maritime strike roles. It had extremely high accident and crew fatality rates. Yakovlev Yak-38 Forger, a VTL strike aircraft for Soviet carriers. It used lift jets combined with a main engine. It was intended for short-range naval attack aircraft. It suffered poor performance and frequent accidents. Sukhoi T-4 Sotka, a Soviet high-speed strike and reconnaissance prototype. It was designed for extreme Mach speed and altitude. It was intended to attack high-value targets and naval groups. Its cost and complexity ended the program. United Kingdom. De Havilland Sea Vixen, a twin-boom naval interceptor for all-weather operations. It relied on radar-guided missiles instead of guns. It served aboard Royal Navy aircraft carriers. Its asymmetric cockpit and landing behavior were dangerous. English Electric Lightning, a high-speed interceptor built for rapid climb. It used stacked engines with minimal internal fuel. It served as Britain's primary air defense fighter. Its limited range and handling made it demanding to fly. BAC TSR-2, a supersonic strike and reconnaissance prototype. It was designed for low-level penetration at high speed. It was intended to replace multiple RAF strike aircraft. It was cancelled due to cost and political pressure. France. Dassault Mirage 3V, a VTL experimental strike aircraft. It used multiple lift engines plus a main engine. It was intended for dispersed nuclear strike operations. The design proved unsafe and impractical. For more Cold War catalog documentaries, consider subscribing.